Yeah, so hi, back again to give you another um, educational video. Today we'll be talking about stretch marks. One of the frequently asked questions about stretch marks is stretch mark, is it permanent? Would it ever go away? First of all, sorry about my hair. I just came back in and I'm actually too tired to start wearing my wig again. Let me make it a little bit fine so I don't look like one. How did I do this? Okay, please, you all have to manage this hair like this. Anyway, so people usually ask, will stretch mark ever go away? Will it be there permanently? All these creams and all that talking about treating stretch marks, do they actually work, or it's just another skin care scam? Another way to scam people. Anyway, another way to scam people. And I said the answer is yes and no. Stretch mark can be permanent. You can have it for the rest of your life, or it can be treated and you can have it completely clear. You won't even remember you had stretch marks in those areas. But there are certain things that will actually determine which category you fall into, and that's because, or that would depend on the kind of treatment you choose to use. If you decide not to do anything to your stretch marks, they will be looking at you to depart from the surface of the earth. But if you start treating it, it's not something that goes off fast. When you have stretch marks, the first thing you need to know is that you need to be patient. Besides using the right product, stretch mark needs patience. Because people say, stretch marks. They sell stretch mark cream, or apply stretch mark cream, and within 2 weeks, stretch mark will fade off. And I said, okay, buy and apply. Within 2 weeks, you can come back to me. But they fail to understand that stretch mark is not like the spots on your face. Stretch mark is a scar, and you don't just apply a cream or an oil on your scar and expect it to go away. There's no magical oil that can fade off your scar in 2 weeks. So the first thing we need to know, if you're having issues with stretch marks, the first thing that we need to know is, why exactly do you have stretch marks? Why do you have stretch marks? Because if you don't know why you have it, you may be finding it difficult to even treat it. You can't treat what you don't know the source. Fine, you know that probably when you use some harsh creams, or during puberty, when you're going into your teenage years, or during pregnancy, or during your weight loss or weight gaining period of your life. Those are the things, the major reasons why people have stretch marks. Some people say, you have stretch marks, you're using cream. It's not just cream. Stretch mark is not just caused by cream. There are so many factors. Sometimes even just your hormones going crazy can make you have stretch marks. Yes, I say hormones. Do you know stress can increase your cortisol level and make you have stretch marks? Yeah. Go and research on it. Yeah, so it's not Yabasira's cream that that can cause stretch marks. Not just her cream that can cause stretch marks. There's so many other things that cause stretch marks. But there is only one reason why you have it. Yes, there's only one reason why you have stretch marks, and that reason is collagen. Yeah, you have low level of collagen. That's why you have stretch marks. Forget it. Tell me it's by cream. Yes, by cream, and you cream destroyed your skin because you don't have enough collagen in your skin to fight it off. You tell me, oh, you gained so much weight. Oh yeah, you gained so much weight and you got stretch marks because you didn't have enough collagen to snap back. You tell me, what else do people, what okay, from childbirth, my tummy grew and started to tear. I had stretch marks when I was pregnant. Yes, it's collagen. You didn't have enough collagen to snap back without having that tear. It all boils down to collagen. Have you ever noticed that there are some really fat? I'm not trying to. Okay, I don't know if it's wrong to use the word fat or big. I'm not trying to. Okay, fat. Okay, you've noticed there are some really fat people who have not even a single stretch mark on their skin. Have you seen people who use very harsh and dangerous creams and yet not a single stretch mark on their skin? You've not seen people who have had several children and they don't have marks on their skin? Yes, that's because they have high collagen level. Their skin is very elastic. It can expand and it can contrast without any form of tear. It can withstand the harsh chemicals, which is bad actually. I'm not supporting harsh chemicals, but some skin can really withstand it and they would not tear. They will not have those injuries from harsh creams. It's collagen. So once you know that the reason why you are having stretch marks in the first place is because of your low level of collagen, then you should know that by the time you increase your collagen level, number one, you stop having too much stretch marks or sudden stretch marks, and number two, you find a way to heal your stretch marks. Yeah, you found a way to heal your stretch marks with collagen. So now that we know about collagen, how do we then, yes, you can use a lot of collagen, you can take a lot of collagen to prevent the stretch marks, but how can you use collagen to treat an already existing scar, an already existing stretch marks? I'm going to teach you something. Start dropping the dollars before I tell you this secret. Start dropping it. Drop the dollars. Yeah, okay. Now, if you actually want collagen, your intake and application of collagen to work on an already existing stretch mark, here's what you do. First of all, you need to renew that dead cell. The scar area is dead, so you need to bring it back to life. How do you do that? There are different ways of doing that. You can use a peeling lotion, which we call chemical exfoliation. You can do it by physical exfoliation, scrubbing your skin very well using very good